This is the most underrated AI video spinner. The number of features this AI tool offers is great. And it is not limited to just image to video or text to video. It also offers style transfer, character consistency, transitions, video effects. You just need to name it, and this tool has it all. So, what is this tool? Let's find out. Right, I'm talking about PixVerse Artificial Intelligence. I have already made a video about this tool, but now they have added many options. Now, starting the texture video with a simple prompt and an influencer. But in the prompt bar, you can see many options. Don't get confused. I will explain all these functionalities later in the video. But first of all, let's test the texture video. So now click on Create. And by the way, this is in turbo mode. This means the results will be faster. But if you want high quality videos, make sure to switch to 720 or 1080 inches, which is great. Alright, so this is the output video. And look at the results. Man, I generated this video in 720 inches. And look at the quality. Obviously the movements are very subtle, and the amazing thing is that the artificial intelligence didn't mess up the phone. Next, we have a cinematic scene of a shooter aiming with a gun, and look at the results. Then, I tried something difficult and the artificial intelligence handled it very well. The command was a woman standing in front of a mirror, filmed from behind. And look at the results. Look at the reflection, look at the movement. The reflection in the mirror is aligning with the movement of this lady. And then I generated another video with the same command, and look at this one. This one is also very impressive. And I don't think most artificial intelligence video generators can handle this kind of command. Next, we have our famous woman wearing a red dress and a black leather jacket walking down a street at night. And I have no complaints about this one. Look at the movement, the lighting, the consistency. And the walk of this lady looks very, very natural. Yes, we have some kind of stylization for this skin in this specific artificial intelligence video generator. But I think it doesn't really look bad. Well, you can also add sound effects to your video. For example, I have this sniper video. You can see that we have options. We have the scaling. You can extend your video. We have the option to restyle our video. Speech option, but we have the sound option. So, if you click on this and click Create, here is the result. If you are working on any artificial intelligence films, you have the option to generate the videos with sound effects. Well, you don't need to do this manually for each video. You can simply type your prompt and then make sure to enable the automatic sound mode. And there you go. Now, moving on to the video with image, I have this image and the prompt is a woman, draws a gun and aims with a serious expression. And this is the result. The woman is aiming with a gun, she draws a gun and then, with a serious expression, is shooting at someone. So the coherence of the prompt is obviously on point. And here is another output from image to video. This was the initial image. This woman is looking very aggressive, but then I suggested a woman smiles with happiness, and see how the artificial intelligence changed the angry expression to happiness. And again, the consistency of style is amazing. Well, if you want a longer duration of this artificial intelligence, we also have 8 seconds option, and obviously we have the option for sound effects. So if you want the character to say something, we have the option for automatic speech. So you can simply type anything you want our character to say. But you can also specify any specific style. We have the 3D anime style, comics, cyberpunk. So the initial image will be converted to the anime style, and the results and the output video will be in the anime style, or any other style. Next, we have the camera options to adjust the camera angles if needed. We have the magic brush, then the motion options. So we have the standard option, also the smooth option. If you want more smoothness in your shots, choose the smooth option. And let's click on generate. So these are the results with that smoothness. Motion. And now you can see the motion is very, very subtle, and we don't have any distortion and so on. The walking style looks very, very natural. Well, we also have the consistent character feature, and that's something really good. So, for example, I have this image of a character and now just name it as Anna, and click on create. And now we can make consistent character videos with just a single image. So, let's select our character and give any suggestion, like a woman sitting on a bench in a public place, and there it is. Just look. This matches 100% with our initial character. So this is the initial image of the character, and this is the output video. And here we have another output with the same OL prompt, only. Yes, we have some kind of stylization in the video, but this is the characteristic style of this artificial intelligence tool. And I am totally fine with that. Well, we also have the transition option in this. So if we move on to the transition, we have the option to upload the first frame and the last frame. So, for example, I have this image. So this will be my first frame, this will be the last frame. and without typing any prompt. I will simply click on create. So this is the output video, and it is super impressive. Just look at the transition. It looks like a single video, not two different videos. Obviously the character was the same, but how did the artificial intelligence handle this transition? We don't have any shaking, we don't have any split effect. In this, it looks like a single video, and that's amazing. So we have many possibilities with this. This is just one example. Well, we also have the video to video option. So if you go to the restart option, we have the option to upload the video, or you can select it from your assets. So for example, I will select this particular video. And now if I go to the style section, you can see that we have different types of styles. We have the Barbie Simpson and different types of styles. So let's go with Cyberpunk and I want to generate. And this is the output video. See the results. Wow. This is incredibly good, and now we have the same video in the Cyberpunk style. But the main thing is that our character is consistent, we don't have any distortion, and it handled this style very, very well. You can also create your own custom style, just define what you want, like a cartoon girl. And there it is. Now you can see the same video, but in your custom style. And to be honest, I prefer this one over the previous result. Well, it also offers very cool video effects. So if I go to the effects section, you can see the list of effects, and you can try out. And these are all the popular effects which you must have seen on Instagram. This is a list of styles. We have the poison effect. And you've probably seen this effect, where you can turn anyone into the coolest guy. So there's a list of styles you can try out. You can swap gender. This one is also very cool. And you can transform into Wonder Woman. You can transform into Hulk. So let's try some of them. For example, I'll use this one here. And there it is. And now this old man has Ronnie Coleman's genetics. Now let's try something different, like this Hulk character. So just click, create, and look at this one here. And there we have our old man, Black Hulk. And here we have our Jack Sparrow as a Vulcan. I don't know why Johnny Depp steals all the famous roles, but this is impressive. So we have many different effects that you can try, and the list goes on. So this was a quick tour of the PixVerse artificial intelligence. I hope I covered every detail. And now you know how this artificial intelligence tool works.